Hey everyone, I am Naimosen and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to mass report any TikTok account using only just file username to get banned. Okay, before starting this video, I just want to say that this content is made for educational purposes only. Okay, so I do not support or promote any illegal activities. That's why please use this information responsibility. Okay, and don't skip any moment, any second of this video. So this is our tool potato aim NUKER, and we are using it for ban any TikTok account. Okay, and you also visit my website to download and purchase this tool. Okay, this is our plan. There are three plans. You just choose your choice and purchase from here. Okay, and there are a lot of information in this website. You must read and must join our Discord server and Telegram channel. Okay, I just run this tool as administrator. There are our intro. Okay, so I need to just log in into my account, so I input my own credential. Now log in. So now look, there are a lot of functions. Disco token method, what method, webhook method. There are no control option. You just go to next page. There are our TikTok mass reporter option. Okay, I choose this one, and here are our configuration. You just input here your victim username, just username, and they are also threat count. You just adjust it of your PC configuration, minimum 50 to 300. Okay, minimum 50 to 300. And here our proxy protocol. You need must proxy to bypass cloudflare detection. Okay, you just load file and choose your proxy. There I have HTTP1, so I just select and open, and I just launch. Okay, so this is our tool, and I cannot fully demonstrate this tool due to YouTube policy restriction, as it may cause issues for my channel. Okay, and you also visit our website, and there are all information I include here. You must read. Okay,